For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Well, on Friday, we had an opportunity come our way in XYL. This was a stock that we had on the trading plan for the session. Didn't pan out the way we thought it would. We had a short side bias for the day. And when we saw one of those around the horn patterns materialize intraday on a 5-minute chart, it was time for action. We took a look at this one in the first hour trading pit. And what we saw was this Infield Fly bar right up here, $48.79 potential entry, came down, triggered in, and where would you put the target on this one? So that's the question. In this case, the most likely place that you're going to look for this one to inflect is right down here at $48.54. That's the central pivot. We see that price has already oscillated there earlier in the session, and that all it's going to take now is a move lower. And we have got a nice opportunity here for a 25-cent per share profit on what also happens to be about a 38.2% retracement of the major move that was made this morning. Now again, the logic behind an Infield Fly setup is this is an exhaustion reversal. We've got this extension reversal that happens on the heels of some very heavy volume. Stock tried to push higher, just couldn't do it. Reverses, opens just about at the same spot that it closes, and that is the telltale sign. So if you're an around the horn fan, pull out your book and take a look at the Infield Fly setup, and you'll see that this is exactly the way that we look for it to happen on a daily chart. And as you know, these patterns all work in just about every time frame. So when you see it happen intraday, it's your cue. Infield Fly works really well intraday. Double header works really well intraday. And those are some of the patterns that we tend to key off of when we see them happen. Here we have it. Stocks coming down, manages to get down to that $48.54 mark. And that's the anatomy of the trade that we called in the room this morning. I recorded this one live as it played out. Wanted to play it back here with a time lapse and make sure that everybody understood exactly what it was that I was talking about as it happened. So if you have any other questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for Monday. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.